Of YouTube, this is Info Mud here, and today I have an unboxing for you. Okay, hold on, this is my knife on deck. Let me show you my knife. Hey, it's my Schrade push blade, and here it is. I have one hand, so you have to excuse me. My invoice. Okay, here we go. We have a Traxxas Alias high performance quadcopter. And what is this? A charger. What kind of charger is this? This is a dual charger for 2 batteries. Let's set that to the side. Let's set that right there. There's something else in here. Oh, my battery. And I'm gonna set this also to the side. Give me 1 second while I take this out the box. Take this box out of the box. 1 second. Okay, here's a look at the box. It says fast and easy for anyone to use, as you can read. Powered by that. 6-axis. The side says it comes with. Oh, so I have 2 batteries. Hey. Okay. And on the back of the box, it says this stuff. And oh, here's some tape. I need to some tape I need to cut. Factory seal, brand new, just delivered. Uh-oh. That's that seal. I just broke the seal. And let's take a look. Flip this over. And let's see what's in the box. And I have a guest here today. Y'all might know him from online. He plays a lot of action shooting games. His name is Barbecue 145, for all y'all who didn't know. This is the manual. I'm gonna have to take a look at this for sure. Okay, so I slide that to the side. A quick what is this? Quick start guide. Tell you about the batteries, where they go, how they go.
That's a cool looking one. It looks like it's different colors a little.
It tell you all the tricks and flips and stuff it could do. Put that to the side. Oh, and by the way, I asked for the color green, so it'll be easy for me to see. Okay, give me 1